Would you mind or do you mind? For polite requests, that's asking someone to do something, use would you mind or do you mind plus the gerund, that's the ing form. Would you mind opening the window? Do you mind opening the window? Would you mind is more polite and also more common. To politely ask for permission, use would you mind if I plus the past, or do you mind if I plus the present. Would you mind if I sat here? Do you mind if I sit here? We usually reply no, meaning I don't mind. I'm okay with that. No, go ahead. In other words, yes, you can sit here. If we want to say that we are not okay with that, we usually say, I'm afraid, plus the reason. I'm afraid this seat's taken. In other words, no, you can't sit here. If you learnt something with this video, would you mind liking, sharing, and commenting?